heavy 重い重い light 軽い軽いこの荷物は重い This luggage is heavy この荷物は軽い This luggage is light big 大きい大きい small 小さい小さい大きい山 big mountain 小さい山 small mountain new 新しい新しい old 古い古い新しい家 new house 古い家 old house thick 厚い厚い thin 薄い薄い厚い本 thick book 薄い本 thin book hot 熱い熱い cold 冷たい冷たい熱い紅茶 hot tea 冷たい紅茶 cold tea hard 硬い硬い soft 柔らかい柔らかい硬いクッキー hard cookies 柔らかいクッキー soft cookies sweet 甘い甘い spicy 辛い辛い甘い食べ物 sweet food 辛い食べ物 spicy food happy 嬉しい嬉しい sad 悲しい悲しい嬉しい日 happy day 悲しい日 sad day delicious うまいうまい bad taste まずいまずいうまい料理 delicious food まずい料理 bad taste food many 多い多い few 少ない少ない人が多い駅 station with many people 人が少ない駅 station with few people fast 早い早い slow 遅い遅い歩くのが早い walking fast 歩くのが遅い walking slow great let's practice how many words do you remember number 1 what is the opposite word of 多い少ない少ない What is the opposite word of 硬い 柔らかい柔らかい。 What is the opposite word of 重い？軽い軽い。 What is the opposite word of 大きい？小さい小さい。 What is the opposite word of 嬉しい？悲しい悲しい。 What is the opposite word of 新しい？古い古い。 What is the opposite word of うまい？まずいまずい。 What is the opposite word of 甘い？辛い辛い。 Great! Something you might enjoy. Japanese coloring book called Kawaii Japan Trip by Very Kawaii Club is on sale at Amazon.com. This coloring book will make you imagine you are traveling in Japan by coloring in your room or anywhere you like. Coloring is a healthy way to relieve stress and helps your body relax. Let's enjoy your creativity with coloring book Kawaii Japan Trip. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the good button. We deeply appreciate you taking the time to watch our video today. See you next video. またね